5 over 2 is equivalent to what over 8? So here we have improper fractions, but we can still find equivalent fractions in exactly the same way. 2 times 4 is 8, and what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator as well, and 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 over 2, or 5 halves, is equivalent to 20 over 8, or 20 eighths. Now 11 over 7 is equivalent to what over 14? Again, we need to find our equivalent fraction. We use multiplication or division to find equivalent fractions, and 7 times 2 is 14. Now what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator as well, and 11 times 2 is 22, so 11 over 7 is equivalent to 22 over 14. Now we have 21 over 12, and we need to work out what that's equivalent to over 4. Now here we need to use division to find our equivalent fraction. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So our missing number is 7. 21 over 12, or 21 twelfths, is equivalent to 7 over 4, or 7 quarters. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.